Hi fellow traders, Lola Clear here with another video. Just wanted to show you a few things here. First of all, we had a wonderful day with ASLN, and I just wanted to give a little tip here to beginner traders that it's not wise to trade a stock that this volatile. And I personally did trade this stock, made a little money, and just wanted to show you because look at this. There was no significant pattern here, but because I've been trading for a while, I got in over VWAP, and this stock paused, popped up. I got out way before it hit there. And this line is actually, let me just show you. This line was drawn here in the beginning, and that's how I did it. But I did not. This is support resistance line. This is one of the major support resistance line. If you notice that this hit here, this went through, this was like going through, and this now became resistance. While it was support here, it became resistance here. So I had drawn my line, but I did get out before, right after the pop. But as a beginner trader, you not having the strategy would make some money, yeah, but you could also lose a lot of money because look at this drop here. And if you were waiting for it to go up a little higher, you could have lost everything coming back down. But if this stock was shortable, you could have made some money here. But what I want to show you today is KOD. KOD is a top stock right now on my scanner, which is FinViz. But I want to show you the pattern that I'm looking at. And if you are a beginner trader and you're not sure how to trade or when to get in and get out of a trade, it's best to wait. Now this stock is high price. Right now it's $56 a share, and chances are you would not get into this stock. But if you're beginner traders with a lot of equity, yes you can. This stock, this is the highest it has ever been. But because it's a top stock, I have been watching it, and I thought instead of trading it, I'll just show you what I'm talking about. So this thing popped up from, and was just like jumping up, excuse me, from $34 all the way up here to $61. If you waited for it, you would see that VWAP is now trending up. Pattern is formed, and if you've been watching me for a while, you know that this is one of my favorite patterns. And with this pattern, the stock usually break trend line, either go down and then up, or break trend line and go up and then come down. And yes, you can say that this is after the fact, but this is a pattern that I always trade, and I usually try to reaffirm this with beginner traders to look for this pattern. So once this broke trend line, you could have traded it, but because we're not sure where it's going to end, because there's no resistance, there's no top stock ever. Like I said, this is the highest it's been. I would not encourage anyone to trade it up. But if you are with a broker that has this stock shortable, this would be the perfect stock to short. And here's why. You'd sit and you'd wait for a pattern to form. Excuse me. You wait for a pattern to form, broke fib line here, reach here, Marubozu candlestick, one try, two try, three tries, could not break this resistance, bearish candle, tiny bullish candle. This is where we would enter, because now we're convinced, because we know that this pattern goes up then goes down. We see the struggle here. You know, you hear me talk about the struggle. You see the struggle here with them trying to break this resistance line, could not break it, giving up, bearish candle, tiny bullish candle. This is where we would get in. Now we have a firm exit point here where VWAP and fib meets. So if you had gone in here at 6 to 7, you could get out here at 6 to 2. That's a $5. But because we know it's supposed to come all the way back down, not sure where, so we could come out here, or we could come out here. Okay, so now if we waited, we could get out here at $56 all the way from 67. Good chunk of profit right there. And that would be our story. We would not want to wait for anything else. That's a big enough money. You don't need to trade this again or scalp it or whatever. So because you can see that now this is just mainly consolidating. So yes, my tip for today is to be patient, wait for pattern to form, wait to be convinced. This pattern up down, 3 tries, fail, hit on your technical analysis line, your VWAP and your fib line, and you'll get out with a nice chunk of money. So yeah, that's just my tip for today. Don't trade volatile stock. Wait for your pattern. Watch and be convinced by what you're seeing in the candlestick formation, and then trade what the stock is telling you to trade, whether it's bullish or bearish. And in this case, it was bearish. All right, so that's it for me today. Just a quick pop in here, quick video with this pattern, and don't pay attention to the price per share, because this pattern can also appear in a lower price stock, and you could trade it just by being patient, watching candlestick, waiting for your entry, and then getting out on your exit and following your rules. All right, so that's it for me today. This is Lola Clear again with another video from Convert to Smart. Check me out on converttosmart.wordpress.com and leave a message. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think. Thank you. Have a good day.